This is the module we're testing, which is a 11160 module. The power consumption of the 11160 will be displayed on the software on the computer.
First, we supply power to the module. At the initial power-up stage, both the STM32 and ESP32 are by default operating in active mode. We can see that the current is very high, with a peak current of 262 milliamps and an average current of 50 milliamps. Now, using a command, we set the ESP MCU to operate in the power-off mode. We use the command to turn off the enable pin of the ESP. As we can see, the current drops instantly. Now the right side shows the operating current when the STM32 is active. We can see that the maximum is 8 milliamps and the average is 7 milliamps. Now we use a command to put the STM32 into sleep mode as well. We send the command LPM equals 1. We can see that the current has dropped to the microampere level because at this point, both the ESP and the STM32 are in sleep mode. We can see that the average current is 6.83 microamps and the peak current is 8.28 microamps.